So, good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new topic called carry look ahead adder and BCD adder. It is the base of your 4-bit parallel adder which we saw in your previous class. Okay. So before going to the carry look ahead adder, we want to know that why we going for carry look ahead adder. Okay. So when we saw the parallel adder, each bit each bit have the need of its previous bit, because once the lowest bit get added, then only the next to the lowest bit will do its operation, because it is in need of the previous carry. Am I right? Am I right or not? If for example I'm going to add this two number, means first I want to add the lowest bit. I can't add all the three bits parallelly, because if I want to add this column, I want the carry of the previous bit. I am in need of the previous bit. Okay. So to eliminate this cost, to overcome this cost, they are going for carry look ahead adder. Carry look ahead adder. So carry look ahead adder means, so to actually, if we are proceeding, if we are providing all the 4 bits in the circuit, means in an IC, means parallelly it will add all the bits, okay, and it will produce the result at a time. And the carry generate ஆகுது இல்லையா? So I will, இப்போ நான் மேனுவலாவோ நான் 4-bit parallel adder யூஸ் பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா, the second bit will wait until the carry of it gets the carry of the previous bit. Okay. So இது மாதிரி அந்த waiting time இருக்கிறதுனால எனக்கு the addition process will get time. It consumes much time. Okay va? To overcome this cost, okay, I'm going for carry look ahead adder. So in the carry look ahead adder, it is an IC. Okay, it will generate the carry automatically. For the generation of carry, we are going to design a circuit, okay, by using the full adder. Okay, for this we are going to use the circuit called a full adder circuit by using 2 half adders. Okay, so I'm going to draw the full adder circuit by using 2 half adders. So this is of A and B. Excuse me. Next one is C in. So this is your final output, and again this is your carry out. So now I will tell why I have mentioned as Ci plus 1 later. Okay, here, so this is 1 half adder, and this is also 1 half adder, to make a circuit of 1 full adder. Okay, so your carry out equation is AB plus BC plus CA. According to consensus theorem, one term gets eliminated. Okay, so I've got the equation as AB plus, here you will get A XOR B, like the same, you will get the same answer. Okay, so this is of full adder using 2 half adders. In case if they ask you to draw full subtractor using two half subtractor means just you want to insert a NOT gate in the connection of A here, and as well as you want to insert a NOT gate here. So that is nothing but full subtractor using two half subtractor. Okay, so it is also available in the material which we have posted in the Google Classroom. Okay, so this is the circuit here. Okay, so now I want to tell you why I have mentioned a Ci plus 1 here. Okay, so this is the circuit. We are going to get the equation for 4 times. Okay, so I have mentioned as Ci here and Ci plus 1 here. Okay, Ci is nothing but current carry. So carry which is ready to do the progress is nothing but Ci. Ci plus 1 is next carry. For example, so if I am adding this 2 means at present the carry which is ready for doing its function is nothing but Ci. While added all these values, I will get a carry here means for this state, this is the Ci plus 1. Have you understood? For this LSB, for this present state, this carry is the Ci plus 1. That is the next state carry. So here it is the present state carry for the function of adding the least significant bit. Ci plus 1 is the next state carry. Okay? Have you understood? Students, can you able to understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, like the same, we want to get the equation. So, I have named this as Pi. I have named this as Gi. Ma'am, Pi is Gi dam pananuma. It is up to you. I am using the variable called Pi in the output side of an XOR gate. So, here I have used the Gi. Here I have used Si. Okay. So for this, for the carry generated, for the carry generation equation or to get the carry generated circuit, I want the equation for Ci plus 1. I want the equation for, because now in the next carry generate ஆகிறதுக்கு தான் நான் என்ன பண்றேன், automatically generate ஆகிறதுக்கு தான் I'm going to design a circuit. Okay, va? So I want the equation for Ci plus 1 to get the design from this circuit. Okay. Now say what is the equation for Pi? What is the equation for Pi? A XOR B. So equation for Pi is A XOR B. So like the same, I'm going to get the equation for Gi. Gi is nothing but A dot B. A dot B. So at last I want the equation for Ci plus 1. So its equation is Gi. Here you will have Gi plus Pi Ci. Here it comes Pi Ci. Okay. So the equation is Gi plus Pi Ci. So we supposed to add a 4 bit. So parallel adder அப்படின்றப்ப we have added 4 bits in each variable called a and b. Am I right? Am I right or not? A and b ல நான் 4 bits நான் வந்து நான் add பண்ண போறேன். Okay, so for that I'm going to substitute c is equal to 0 to 3. So if I substitute, sorry, c is equal to I is equal to, if I substitute I is equal to 0 ல இருந்து 3 வரைக்கும் நான் first substitute பண்ண போறேன். So first I have to substitute c is equal to, sorry, I equal to 0 means the equation will be like, if I substitute, so நான் இந்த equation ல I'm going to substitute I equal to 0. So students, one more thing, இந்த equation எப்படி வந்ததுன்றது தெரியுதா? Can you able to understand how the equation will come, how you get the equation ci plus 1? கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரம் ரிப்ளை பண்ணுங்கம்மா, then only I can move forward. Can
No,
you able to understand? No. அப்ப சொல்லணும்லமா மேம், எனக்கு டவுட்னு சொன்னா அந்த கரண்ட்லயே சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிரும்ல. So it is nothing but ci plus 1. ci plus 1 என்னன்னு தெரியுதா? That is your next state, Carly. So I have taken this equation from this circuit. I have taken this equation from this circuit. ci plus 1 அப்படின்னா it is connected with an OR gate. OR gate ஓட output தான் ci plus 1. இப்ப அந்த OR gate ஓட ஒரு input என்னது? That is PICI. PICI na inga varudhu. So in the XOR gate oda output vandu, that is nothing but PI. So and adha it is get connected with this AND gate. Appo enakku indha edathila PI. Again the second input of this AND gate is CI. The second input of this AND gate is CI. Inga parunga. Second input of this AND gate is CI. Okay va? So அப்ப எனக்கு PICI. So again another input of this OR gate, another input of this OR gate is இங்க இருக்கிற GI. இந்த GI தான் OR gate ஓட second input. அப்போ at last எனக்கு நான் இந்த output of the OR gate is named as CI plus 1. That is equal to PICI plus GI. இப்ப புரியுதா?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I'm going to substitute the value of I equal to 0 to 3. So if I substitute I is equal to 0 means 0 plus 1 equal to G naught plus P naught C naught. Upon C1 is equal to G naught plus P naught C naught. Okay, so this is the first equation, like the same. So we will get the equation as C1 is equal to G naught plus P naught C naught, which we have solved just a minute later before. Okay, C2 like the same. C2 is equal to, you will get the equation like this. C3 equal to, you will get the equation like this. Okay, with the equation we have got from the CI plus 1 equation. So CI plus 1 equation la 0 la irundhu 3 வரை substitute பண்ணி நம்மளுக்கு இப்ப equation கிடைச்சது இல்லையா? அந்த equation வச்சு they have drawn the circuit diagram. They have drawn the circuit diagram with the equation we have just got before by substituting the value of I equal to 0, 1, 2 and 0, 1 and 2. Okay, in the diagram எப்படி வந்ததுன்றது புரிஞ்சுதா? Okay, so this is the diagram, this is the design, this is the logic circuit which will generate the carry automatically when you give the input to the circuit, to the IC. Okay va? So input நீ குடுக்குற அப்படினா previous, yes,
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
Screen it is okay, wait. Now is it visible?
No, ma'am.
No. Screen black இருக்கா?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
white
White இருக்கு, ma'am.
Okay. Now?
Ma'am, same white screen, ma'am.
இப்ப இந்த screen visible இருக்கா?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now ma? இப்ப visible இருக்கா?
blank
No,
இருக்கு
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, நான் again login பண்றேன். Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the circuit diagram which we got from the above equation C1, C2 and C3. Okay, va? So this is the design which will generate the carry automatically for the given values. Okay, va? So this is the actually carry look ahead adder generator. This is an IC. So in the IC இருக்கு இல்லையா? So ஒரு IC மாதிரி இருக்கா? ஒரு boxல this is the IC having the design of previously which we saw. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு circuit காமிச்சேன் இல்லையா? அந்த circuit தான் இந்த IC ல டிசைன் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. So the only thing is we want to give the input. இப்போ நானு C0 is the current carry. Carry na always C0 will be 0 which we have already known. Okay va? அது வந்து ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உன்னோட circuit generate பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. So it is a known value. So it is directly given as an input here. So first for the first addition process, we are giving the first half adders to the IC. So we have given the inputs to the circuit. The IC will generate the carry automatically and produce its output parallelly. Okay, so this is nothing but carry look ahead adder. Okay, Got it? இப்ப எனக்கு என்ன ஆகுது அப்படின்னா A0 B0 A1 B1 A2 B2 A3 B3 ல I am going to give the inputs of A and B of 4 bits. Okay, so again I am saying it will generate the carry alone. அதாவது ஒவ்வொரு பிட்டையும் ஆட் பண்ண அந்த கேரிய மட்டும் தான் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கலி ஜெனரேட் பண்றதுக்கு தான் இவ்வளவு நேரம் நம்ம டிசைன் பண்ணோம். ஓகேவா? So for the addition process it should be do manually. So it should be execute by the external circuit. It should be execute by the external circuit. So we have to give the connection, we have to give the connection for, or we have to design a circuit for addition process separately. Okay va? So adunala da inga vandu ஒரு half adder circuit na edun theriyudhu illaya? ஒரு XOR gate and one AND gate. So ஒவ்வொரு பிட்டுக்கும் தனி செப்பரேட்டா ஒரு half adder progress நடக்குது. அதோட அவுட்புட் தான் நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா I am giving to the carry look ahead adder IC. So it will generate the carry for each bits automatically, okay, according to the logic circuit, and it will produce the carry for all the 4 bits parallelly, and it will produce the result by adding with the carry. Okay, so this is nothing but carry look ahead adder. Okay, next we are going to see BCD adder. We are going to see BCD adder. So BCD adder is nothing but, so BCD, what are all the BCD numbers? BCD numbers. BCD is nothing but binary coded decimal. Okay, so binary coded decimal. What are all the BCD numbers? Students, can you able to hear me? Is it audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 0 to 9 is the BCD number. Yeah, okay, so BCD addition, when we go for BCD addition, okay, in case if I am giving as 43 means I can rewrite the same by using, I can mention the same using BCD as 04 and 03. So this is the value of 4 to 3 in mean of BCD number. Okay, so I'm going to add this 43 with 27. Okay, so then 0, sorry, what is its binary equivalent for 4? So I'm going to add 1001 with 0110. Okay, this is 6. So I'm going to add 9 with 6. What I will get? 9 plus 6, 15. Okay, in terms of binary addition, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so 1, 1, 1, 1, is it a binary number? Sorry, it is a BCD number? 1, 1, 1. No, it is not a BCD number. So I want to add 6 with a non-BCD number to get its equivalent BCD value. So I'm going to add 6 with the result. 6 with the result. So 1, 1 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 plus 1, 10, 0 and carry 1. Okay, carry 1 here. Okay, so this bit is a single bit. If I represent this single bit as 4 bit means I can add 3 zeros before the value. Okay, so by adding these zeros, the meaning of the value can't be changed. Okay, appo enak inga paru 0001 na its decimal equivalent is 1. 0101 means its decimal equivalent is 5. So totally it is of 15. I have got the same value. This is nothing but BCD addition. Okay, so you can have a question like why we need to add 6 for addition and 6 with subtraction. Why we need to subtract 6 with subtraction. Okay, so totally the hexadecimal value is 0 to 15. So in this hexadecimal value, 0 to 9 is the BCD number. The remaining value called 10 to 15, totally it is having of 6 values. So why we are adding 6 with for binary addition, BCD addition, and subtracting 6 for binary subtraction. Can you able to get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ipa nama manually we have done the BCD addition process. Okay. So we are going to design a circuit for this BCD addition. Okay. So the circuit will perform what we just did manually. Ipa enakku manual addition na ipa pannalaya, in the same addition progress na or circuit design pannittu and the circuit vandu execute pananum for the same given value. Okay. Okay. Before going to for the design, we want to know one thing. For 0 to 9, its BCD value is 00002 1001. Can you able to get this value? Can you able to get it? Unakku idu puriyudha? Idu eppadi vanduchu? It's equivalent binary value. In case if I want to represent the value 10 in BCD means I want to make this one as carry, and again I have to start with 0000. Okay, up to 15 1 0101. அப்போ எனக்கு மேம் அப்ப அந்த 0 to 9 வரைக்கும் நான் 4 bit எழுதுனேன்ல, அப்ப 5th bitல என்ன இருக்கும்னா just you will have 0 in the 5th bit till 0 to 9. Okay, புரியுதா எப்படின்ட்டு?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you understood this, then only we can move to the next thing. So I'm going to make usually I have already told you that usually when we go for a design, we will start with what is its first step?
Truth table, ma'am.
We will start with the truth table. So I'm going to name it as S3, S2, S1, S0. So Y should be its output. Okay. So I'm going to, so it is a 4 variable. I'm going to mean with 0010, 0011, 0100. So இப்போ previous சொன்னது புரிஞ்சதுன்னா, so we will go with the directly with this. Okay, here it is. So this is the truth table. So till 1001, its carry is 0. அதாவது அதோட output வந்து 0. From 1010 to 1111, we will get the carry as 1. இப்போ உனக்கு இந்த truth table புரியுதா? Have you understood this truth table? In the truth table புரியுதாமா? So Y column is nothing but its carry. So from 0000, that is from 0 to 9, you will get the carry as 0. From 10 till 15, you will get the carry as 1. இப்ப நான் previously explain பண்ணதுதான் அந்த carry column அப்படியே வந்து Y ல போட்டுருக்காங்க. That's it. Can you able to understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So with the input of S3, S2, S1 and S0, okay, they have substituted the column Y in the K map and they have mapped it and got the equation as Y equal to S3, S2 plus S3, S1. Okay. For your verification, I just solved it. So S3 bar, S2 bar, S3 bar, S2, S3, S2, S3, S2 bar. S1 bar, S0 bar, S1 bar, S0, S1, S0, S1, S0 bar. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. From 10 till 15, you got the value as 1 in Y column. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to pad this square and I have paired this square. Then I will get the equation as S3, S2 plus S3, S1. Okay. So this is the equation for Y. With this equation, I'm going to design the BCD adder. Okay. While designing the BCD adder, just you want to recall what I have did in the manual calculation. So the first step, I have added A0 to A3 value with B0 to B3. Am I right? அப்படிதானமா பண்ண? I have added A0 to A3 value with B0 to B3. Is this the first step?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in the calculation, whether I can use the parallel adder use paniklama. So instead of using each full adders, I'm going to use an IC called 4-bit parallel adder, which is having the design the same which we saw in the previous class. Okay. So I'm going to use an IC called 4-bit parallel adder. So it will have 8 pins, each 4 pins for, sorry, it will have 4 pins for A, 4 pins for B, and 1 carry input pin, 1 carry out pin, and 4 pins for your output. So, appo na inga enna பண்ணுவேன் A0, A1, A2, A3, B0, B1, B2, B3. So, I will give the A value in this 4 pin and I will give B value in this 4 pin and I will get S3, S2, S1, S0. That is sum in the output in this 4 pin. I will give the carry initially by 0 in this pin. While adding these 2 values, I will get the carry out via this pin. Okay. So this is nothing but 4-bit parallel adder. In case if I got the value, the sum value is not the value which I've got is not a BCD number, what should I do? Students, can you able to hear me? If the result of adding the values is not a BCD number, what should I have to do?
Add 6, ma'am.
We want to add 6 with the result. So, manually we can add 6 with the sum. But while designing a circuit, we want to design accordingly. So, for that purpose only, we have got the equation called S3, S2 plus S3, S1. Okay. So, again, I want to use another 4-bit parallel adder for the first 4 inputs. I want to give S3, S2, S1, S0 directly. That is nothing but, if I have added 6 with the result, right? And the addition purpose, and the result na 6 kuda add pananunda. Just I have connected S3, S2, S1, S0 with the another 4-bit adder. Okay. So for getting 6, I have to give connection S3, S2, S1, S3, and it is connected with an OR gate by including your carry out. இப்போ இந்த circuit எப்படி வந்தது ma'am? Just because of the equation which we got from the K-map. In the equation, I have designed this equation in this circuit, but now at last I have included the carry. So whatever content I got the output from your OR gate is connected with the pin of B1 and B2. B1 and B2. Again, B0 and B3 is connected with 0. Okay. So either B3, B2, B1, B0. So in B1 and B2 pin, I have to give the output of the OR gate, and the 0th pin and 3rd pin is getting connected with the value 0. Okay. So at last you will get the final output called S3, S2, S1, S0. So it is also having the carry input, so no need to mention it. The final carry out. Okay. So this is the design of BCD adder. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to apply the value which we did manually. Okay. So enna values nama vanda add pannom? We have added
9, 6.
9 and 6. Okay. So here you want to give 9, 1 0 0 1. Here I want to give 0 1 1 0. Then in the place of S3, S2, S1, S0, I will get the answer as 1 1 1 1. Right? Okay. So while going with this circuit, here you will get connected with S3. It is connected with S3. So it is having the value 1. It is having the value 1. It is also having value 1, 1, 1. So 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So when we go for OR gate, so previously when we go with the addition, whether you have got any carry here, அதாவது 9 6 add பண்றப்போ உனக்கு carry occur ஆச்சா? No, we got only 1 1 1 1. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So the carry out will be 0. So this 0 is given to the OR gate. So 1 plus 1 plus 0, 1 here.
10.
So when 1 plus 1 plus, so this is of OR gate addition. 1 plus 1, 1. Binary addition, for binary addition only, 1 plus 1 equal to 10. For OR gate addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Can you able to understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. So you got the output of OR gate is 1. So that 1 is given to the first pin and second pin. Upon Anna, excuse me. Consider B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay. Here I have given the output of OR gate, that is 1 in B3, B2 and B1. Okay. Appo remaining la na enna kuduka sonnen? What value I should give in B3 and B0?
0, ma'am.
0. Now see what value have got? Enna value kadachirukku?
6, ma'am.
6. So here you will have the value 6. 6 is added with the result to get its equivalent output. In case if it is not a BCD number, you will get 0 in this OR gate. Meanwhile, you will have 0, 0, 0, 0 in your second BCD adder, that is second 4-bit adder. Okay, the output which I got in the first addition process will be retained in your second addition process. So this is nothing but the design of BCD adder. Have you got it? Purida?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having doubt? So this is the circuit of BCD adder. So please do this by yourself in your afternoon. Okay, afternoon or evening இன்னைக்குள்ள இந்த manual calculation போட்டுட்டு just you want to design by yourself, then only you can able to understand this circuit diagram. Okay, if you can't means laterally you can't able to recall what I have said in this class. So please do by today itself. Just do by yourself manually as well as the design. Then only you can able to interconnect both the things, and it won't be forgot till your university examination. Got it? Students, can you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.